Don't aim for success if you want it. Just do what you love and believe in, and it will come naturally. This quote by David Frost provides a lot of great advice that we can all apply to our lives. But first, I think we should all ask ourselves, what is success? What does success mean to you? The true meaning of success varies from person to person. To some, it's driving a nice car, taking exotic vacations, and having cash to spare. And to others, it's landing a high-up job in a major corporation. To me, success means being happy with what you're doing. Whether this means doing good in your community, having a family, or just making good contributions to your society. In college, we have to make a lot of potentially life-altering decisions, from which university to transfer, to what classes to take, to what major we finally choose, to what career field we plan to venture into. Think for a second about some of the decisions you've had to make recently. How many of these decisions did you make based on what will get you the farthest? Some people's idea of success is having a lot of money and a great job. However, where your talents lie is not always what you love to do. And that's the difference between having a job and having a career. A job is often thought of as something you're forced to do, and a career is the path you've chosen. We're at the point in our lives where we have to decide, do we want a job? Do we want to get up, go to work, and then go home? Or do you want a career? Do you want to wake up every morning feeling passionate about something? According to a recent Forbes study, 71% of Americans are not engaged in their current job. 71% of today's people do not enjoy what they do. I don't know about you, but I really want to be part of that 29% who truly love what I do. Someone once asked me what my advice to college students would be, and my answer was, keep an open mind. Take classes you wouldn't normally take, and be open to try new things. The inspiration for my advice came from a class I actually took this year. Never in a million years would I've ever seen myself taking an accounting class, and as a theater major, it's pretty far out of my course study, but I discovered this year that I really understand and kind of enjoy accounting. And I found this quote by Ayn Rand applicable. The ladder of success is best climbed by stepping on the rungs of opportunity. In this case, I think this quote should make us all wonder, how will we ever know if we like or do not like something if we don't get out of our comfort zone and try something new? Now I challenge you, as you move on from Barton and on to the next chapter of your college or professional career, to do what makes you happy and what makes you a better person, and not what everyone else expects. Forget society's idea of success, find what inspires you, and pursue it. Then, I think you can consider yourself truly successful. And I'd like to end with some wise words from Henry David Thoreau. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. Thank you.